we are going to take you on a journey through our solar system, exploring the planets that orbit around our sun.
Solar system consists of 8 planets. Those 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. First we will learn about Sun. Sun is the major part of solar system. When we see the Sun from the Earth, it looks so small, but the Sun was big ball of fire. Sun gives heat and light for the all planets.
We are going to know about 8 planets. The first planet is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet. Mercury is made up of rocks. Mercury is very hot because it is too near to Sun. Mercury has no moons. The second planet is Venus. Venus is also a hot planet because it is also near to Sun. Venus also made up of rocks. Venus also has no moons.
Third planet is Earth. Earth is made up of rocks. It is not too cool and not too hot. Earth is a special planet in solar system because the Earth have life on it with its unique combination of water, atmosphere and suitable temperature. Earth have one moon and the fourth planet is Mars. Mars is also made up of rocks. Mars is cool planet because it is far from the sun. Mars have 2 moons. Mars is also a smallest planet.
Next we have Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet of solar system. It is the biggest planet of solar system. It is made up of gas, and Jupiter is also a hot planet because it is far from the sun, and Jupiter has 95 moons. Next we have Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet of solar system. It is made up of gas and rocks. It is also a cold planet because it is far from the sun. It has 146 moons.
Next here is Neptune. Next here is Uranus. It is the 7th planet of solar system. Uranus is made up of ice and some rocks. Uranus has 27 moons. Next here is Neptune. Neptune is the 8th planet of solar system. Neptune is made up of ice and some rocks. Neptune has 14 moons.
These 8 planets are Neptune has 14 moons divided into inner planets and outer planets of solar system. The inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and the outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These 8 planets are move around the sun in their orbits due to gravity. Inner planets and outer planets are divided into the belt of rocks is known as asteroid belt.
So this is the amazing tour of our solar system. Do you have any questions about planets or solar system? Hope you enjoy the short journey of our solar system.
Thank you.